Hey, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to perform an FIS, or First Initial Sequence, on a Stanley MC521 Pro controller, also commonly known as the black-face controller. This process is required any time the controller is newly installed, replaced, or reset. Follow these steps carefully and exactly in the order shown. To begin, press and hold the Enter button while pressing the down arrow. Scroll to parameter 99, release Enter, then press down one time so the display reads 00. Next, press and hold Enter and down again, and scroll to parameter 96. Release Enter, then press up one time to set the value to 01. You'll see A0 indicating the next step. Press and hold Enter and up to scroll to parameter 00, release Enter. Press up to select 01 for a single motor or 02 for a dual motor system. Once selected, the display will show A0. Press and hold Enter and up to scroll to parameter 01. Release Enter. Press up to select 01 for left-hand operation or 00 for right-hand operation. The display will again show a 0. Press and hold Enter and up to scroll to parameter 03. Release Enter, then press up one time. The display will show 20, followed by A1. Next, press and hold Enter and up to scroll to parameter 11. Release Enter. Press up to select 00 for a rotary switch or 01 for a rocker switch. The display will show A1. If your door is equipped with an electric lock, pause here and complete this step. If not, you can skip ahead. Press and hold Enter and up to scroll to parameter 07. Release Enter and select 00 for failsafe or 01 for fail-secure operation. The display will show A1. Now move the position switch to hold open. As soon as the door begins to move, return the switch to the closed or off position. Allow the door to open and close 2 full cycles. This is the learn cycle. When learning is complete, the display will show A2, indicating the controller is ready for the next step. Finally, press and hold Enter and scroll to parameter 99. Release Enter and set the value to 01. The display will return to 00. At this point, the system is ready. Place the switch in the auto position and confirm the door operates as intended. That completes the first initial sequence on a Stanley MC521 Pro controller. Thanks for watching.